Hi everybody from YouTube. I got another video. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel to see more videos. This is short videos. I don't do the whole thing, but I'll tell you some tips what you need to do sometimes when you have a problem with your vehicle. This is a Ford F-150 with a 5.4 liter. This truck come in because they tell the owner to replace the runner control sensor that goes here that moves these bins and the intake manifold, because the truck was missing and running rough. So when the truck come in, I check it. It got like 5 codes. It got a misfire code. It has a mass airflow sensor code. And all oxygen sensor code, and a running control valve code. So I hear that the truck was kind of missing a little bit, and it sounds like it was sucking air also, like a vacuum leak. When I take it apart to replace that part in there, I check with that's a way for you to check the intake manifold with a square. You put your square right here, and you can see how the gap in there. So this thing is touching in the center, but on the size is warped. See, the intake manifold is warped. So it's touching the center, but in the corners is open, has a gap. I mean, you might can fix it with a lot of silicone. I tell the owner the problem, and he decide to put a new intake manifold. So I go ahead and put a new intake manifold in there. And another thing, when I take it apart, I know the number 3 code. I have a misfire on number 3, so I take the coil number 3, put a number 1 to check it, to see if it was the coil, bad coil, see if the engine code changed from 3 to 1. And I got everything together. When I started, it started rough, backfiring. I mean, it was acting super crazy. So I say, what's going on? So I put the scanner, and I got a code from a coil, primary coil 8 circuit open, something like that. So I remember that I changed the coil, put it from number 3 to number 1. So this computer, some computers or some trucks, or I don't know how many, maybe all, they go, but the computer pick up the signal from number 1 piston for a lot of things, timing and everything. So when the coil is bad at number 1, the computer don't know what to do. They start throwing a lot of codes and doing a lot of crazy things. So there you got it. If you got a problem like that, missing and backfire and everything, check your coil number 1 on your engine. Move it out of there and put another one from the other side and see if that coil is bad. And if it's bad, replace it and you fix your problem. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, press like, hit the bell, share. Tell your friends to subscribe on my channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.